The story of Singapore's National Day, a celebration of unity and pride. Once a British colony, the Grand National Day Parade, held traditionally at the Padang, former National Stadium, and the float at Marina Bay, the National Day Parade, or NDP, is the highlight of the celebrations. Showcasing spectacular military displays, vibrant multicultural performances, and a breathtaking fireworks display light up the night sky. A date with history. Initially, Singapore celebrated National Day on the 3rd of June to commemorate full internal self-governance achieved from the United Kingdom in 1959. However, since 1966, the parade has been held on the 9th of August, marking the island's independence from Malaysia. Parade venues and performances. Over the years, the parade has graced various venues, from the historic Padang to the National Stadium and the float at Marina Bay. Each location has its own charm. With contingents from the Singapore Armed Forces, Ministry of Home Affairs, local institutions, and community groups, the parade is a magnificent display of unity, rehearsals, and previews. Months before the actual day, full-scale rehearsals and preview shows begin. These events, including the NDP National Education Show for Primary 5 students, bring the excitement to life with pyrotechnics and fireworks. Up to 300,000 Singaporeans participate as spectators, with thousands more gathering around Marina Bay. The inaugural parade. The very first National Day Parade on 9th August 1966 was a morning spectacle. People arrived as early as 7 a.m. to secure the best spots. The grandstand at City Hall hosted Singapore's first president, Yusof bin Ishak, and Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew. The parade included military contingents, schools, civil groups, and a grand lion and dragon dance performance. Evolution of the parade. From the introduction of the flypast of the state flag in 1970 to the decentralized parades of 1975, each year brought something new. Iconic moments like the first evening parade in 1986 and the debut of the Red Lions parachute team in 1989 have become cherished memories. Modern-day celebrations. Today, the NDP is a grand affair featuring interactive public participation, mass displays, choir performances, and awe-inspiring military demonstrations. The Padang, Marina Bay, and Heartland areas host various activities, ensuring everyone can join the festivities. Dynamic Defense Display, D3, and Total Defense. In 2024, the NDP will showcase the inaugural Dynamic Defense Display, D3, at the Padang, emphasizing the importance of all 6 pillars of total defense: military, civil, economic, social, digital, and psychological. This multimedia spectacle will involve over 400 participants, demonstrating Singapore's resilience and unity. Parade and ceremony highlights. With over 2,100 participants from diverse backgrounds, the 2024 parade and ceremony will celebrate Singapore's collective strength. The Onward March, Presidential Gun Salute Sail Past, and State Flag Fly Past will create an immersive 360-degree experience. Heartland celebrations. On 10th August 2024, Heartland locations across Singapore will come alive with static displays of SAF, SPF, and SCDF vehicles, family-friendly activities, and live performances. Residents can enjoy fireworks and celebrate as one community. Join the festivities. Tickets for the Heartland celebrations can be collected at community clubs and centers from 12th July 2024. Each ticket holder will receive a complimentary NDP pack, ensuring everyone can join in the joy and pride of National Day. Singapore's National Day is more than just a celebration. It's a testament to the nation's unity, resilience, and unwavering spirit. So mark your calendars and get ready to celebrate Singapore's vibrant journey on 9th August 2024.